Gong practice number 254. Today is Wednesday, January 27th, 2021. Currently 3:08 p.m. for me. Getting my gong practice in before I get my yoga. In the next hour and 20 minutes, I have yoga. I got to be down, so I got to get this practice done pretty quick. So just sit back, lie down. Actually, just lie down, eyes closed, noise canceling headphones if you have them. Turn off your cell phone, anything that may distract you. If you want to create this sacred space, a nice little healing space, get out your candles, get out your crystals, your sage, essential oils, incense, whatever it is that you need to make yourself feel in a good, safe place. Go make that happen. Then lie down, eyes closed, noise canceling headphones. And you just focus on your breath is all you got to do. You do not fight the sounds. Do not resist anything. Let the sounds do what they're going to do. They're just going to move through you. I'm creating sounds, just being a conduit, just so love can flow through me, through these speakers into your ears, and just let this vibration make some change. Talk about raise the vibration of the planet. This is actually making some noise, raising the vibration, bringing love and abundance and freedom to all that want to take part in this little experiment we call life that can be totally magical if you believe it to be magical, because everything starts with your thoughts 100%. So just lie and be with your breath. Just focus on your breath. If your mind starts wandering, just come back to your breath. If you feel the need to sneeze, cough, move around, whatever bodily function needs to take place, let it happen. Unless, it's like using the restroom, then you should probably stop and go to use the restroom. I recommend using the restroom before you lie down. That way you're completely good and you're not going to have any incidents. And if you want to be awake, you can be awake. Just do not drive a car or operate any heavy equipment, because you may zone out and don't need that to happen to you or to anybody else, or have something happen because you were not paying attention just because you listened to a gong being played. No reason for any of that to take place. So just lie down, be present with the sounds. It's really quite simple. Focus on your breath. In through your nose, out of your nose, or in through your nose, out of your mouth, or in through your mouth, out of your mouth. Whatever works for you, works for you. It's your journey, it's your experience. Just be ready to receive sounds. There might be some quiet times while I'm playing. That just is what it is. I will wake you up when it's done. It's 30 minutes. You're ready to listen to me talk for 2.5 minutes. Might as well just lie down for 30 minutes and let these sounds do what they're going to do. I'm telling you, it's magical 100%. That's what I believe. My life is amazing, and the gong has something to do with it. So I'm just sharing with other people to say, I don't know, it works for me. It works for me. So maybe it'll work for you. Maybe it'll help you. It'll do something for you for sure. The sounds will be moving through you and helping reshift everything. So make sure you stay hydrated before and afterwards. Energy is going to move. Just lie, be still, let your mind go, focus on your breath. Thank you very much. 30 quick minutes. I love you. Thank you, thank you. Enjoy. Slowly bring your attention back to yourself. Nice deep breath in through your nose. Wiggling your fingers and toes and letting it all go. Take all the time that you need to come back into your body. If you really feel out of it, just focus on your fingers and toes and you'll come back in. Make sure you drink plenty of water because energy was just shifting about. If you'd like to comment below and share your experience, feel free to do so. Everybody experiences different things. And for me, it was just another great 30 minutes of energy moving. I feel a little recharged, ready to go, hit up. Gotta go drive down and get yoga going here in 45 minutes. So I need to get this video done and get the uploaded started so I can drive and they can all do that while I'm away, and then things are happening at the same time. So which is awesome. Make sure you drink plenty of water, stay hydrated. 5 principles of Reiki, I share those every single day because that's what I do. Just for today, I will not anger. Just for today, I will not worry. Just for today, I'll be grateful. Just for today, I'll be kind to others. And just for today, I'll focus on my work. Those 5 things I think about every single day helps me stay me. Helps me, helps me keep myself reminded that all we have is today, this very day, this very moment. That's all we have. Beyond that, there's nothing. Yesterday's gone. Tomorrow may never come. So if tomorrow does come, make sure today you're doing good deeds, planting good seeds so it can grow tomorrow. Maybe in a couple tomorrows you'll have some great fruit to bear. But if you don't plant any good seeds today, if you just do nothing but wicked deeds, you're not going to get any good fruit later in life. We don't have tomorrow, we have today. But if tomorrow comes, we should be ready for tomorrow. And the best way to be ready for tomorrow is put action into today, but also live for the day. Don't put too much time into things for tomorrow because tomorrow may not come. Just enough time. Everything's just about being enough, a balance, and find it all. So thank you very much for listening. Laugh more, love more, smile more. Have a beautiful day. I love you. Thank you again. Another video coming tomorrow.